Tomorrow, the Finance Minister will deliver a much-anticipated economic update on its pandemic finances. It is unclear exactly whether or not this is going to look like a full budget, but it is expected to chart a course for the months ahead. Couture has more for us from Ottawa.
After months of demanding a full accounting of Liberal spending, Conservative leader Erin O'Toole is seemingly shifting his focus.
My top priority is a plan for vaccines. There is no plan for the economy if we don't have rapid testing and vaccines as swiftly as possible.
The pandemic will likely be the central theme of the economic update, and while the Conservatives have supported the bulk of federal relief measures, O'Toole is hoping for some restraint from the Finance Minister.
So I want to see if she remains in that same view that she can spend without regard to the public finances as long as interest rates are low. I'm hoping that's not her fiscal anchor.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau warned last month not to expect a fiscal anchor, and some economists believe Freeland's update won't be a complete roadmap of where the country is going because so much is unknown.
Some kind of marriage of the scenarios that we are starting to hear about consistently from a public health perspective, that will color the financial outlook.
The economic statement will likely mirror some of the themes of September's throne speech, which focused on getting more women back into the workforce and growing a green economy, among other things.
Are there going to be new investments in long-term care, in health care? Are there going to be new investments in child care? Some areas that really were highlighted by this pandemic, but I think that are of interest to the Liberals in the long run.
That extra spending is expected to raise the deficit, which stood at $343 billion in July, the last time the government provided a fiscal snapshot.
Look, we don't have any options other than spending right now. We've gone through the looking glass. This isn't about how much money are you spending. This is what are you stabilizing? And if you don't do it, what are you making worse?
Plenty of hard-hit industries will be looking to this update for help, including the airlines, which have been decimated by the pandemic as travel essentially came to a halt. Sonia?
Couture in Ottawa, thank you.